Today, we will show you how to make a cup of coffee with this machine. This side is the water tank. This is the bean tank for coffee beans. If you have coffee powder, you can put a powder here. Now, let's begin. Press the 1 cup key. You can see it's normal. Press again, it will be strong. And if you press the third time, it will be mild. You can choose your taste. Here we can change the coffee quantity from 30 to 240. We can also make 2 cups of coffee at the same time. Press the 2 cups key. Okay, it's done. Next, we'll show you how to make a cup of cappuccino. Put a cup here and press the steam key. You can see the machine is heating. That means the machine is preparing for the hot steam. Now the steam is ready. Turn the knob to the steam position. And just put the milk to the coffee. A cup of cappuccino is done.